Well guys, what do you get when you cross a windshield with a headlight fairing that offers no wind protection whatsoever? Give up? You get the Rizoma Shorty headlight fairing made out of aluminum. Let's put this baby on, see what it looks like. Well guys, thanks again for watching. That was a quick, easy process. It looks really cool. Only 4 tools, 2 Allen wrenches and 2 box wrenches. Super simple. It's a little fiddly to line everything up, but it's not that bad. It only took me, I think, 15 minutes from start to finish, maybe even less. So it looks cool. Definitely no wind protection. I like that it's aluminum because I could paint it in the future, but I do like the aluminum color. It matches some of the Speed Twin accessories that come on the bike originally, so it fits right in. I just wanted to give a thank you to A&J Cycles out of New York. They carry a ton of Triumph parts. I've been getting a lot of things from them lately, especially the Rizoma parts I've been putting on the Triumph. They have really fast shipping, which is excellent, and I appreciate them very much. Thanks a lot, guys. Well, again, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Hit that bell notification if you so desire. And until next time, I will see you guys later.